up guys? I just came home from my workplace and when I arrived I saw these two parcels, waiting for me. So let me open this first and then I'll show what's in this. In fact, by the title of this video you might have got an idea of what's inside these boxes. You can have a look at this. This is in total around 15 kgs. Saddle stay for my Dominar. This would be mounted on the side. This is the top rack for for top loading. You can install your top panniers on this. Saddle stay, top rack, and this is the most important part of all, the crash guard, the leg guard. So this is the rib, some nut and bolts. So I'll do the installation in a day or two. This is going to take some time to get it installed, and I'll post, if possible, I'll post a video of installation also, or probably I'll post it once the installation is done. I got this from gearrush.com, and this is by the way from hyperrider.in. So this is Rider's multi-intercom from Vnetphone V6 model. Got it from Gearbest for $75, which is roughly around 5,500. And all this combined with shipping charges, I got it for 9,600. Look at this. So you've got two intercoms, two unit of intercoms, and two speaker, one mic for this, two speaker, one mic for this. And this is your screwdriver. The tape, speaker with mic, the clip to attach your intercom, charger, two chargers. So the reason to get all these things is I'm preparing for a ride very soon. In fact, most probably by December 1st week I'll come up with a new video. Probably I'll be going to my farmhouse. First trip would be to my farmhouse with my cousin, and then probably later on I'll be joining Dominar, this groups. Let's see. That is all just future plannings. I don't know how much of that is practically possible. So that's it guys. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll very soon I'll upload a video probably by this weekend or next week. I'll upload a video of how to use this Vnetphone V6. Thanks a lot. Take care guys.